You know this is Zony, the one and only, and watch now. May I represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer. Yo! You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Woo! Today, guys, we are with Skeng and family, yeah, man. Ratty Gang General and Sparta Boss with Rose and Wreath. Yeah, this is what the one I just dropped. I've been up all night gaming, streaming, whatever. I'm not sleep yet. So just refresh YouTube and see that one, yeah. We are gonna do it before we go sleep. As you can see outside the morning now. So let's jump in the one and see what the G them have to say, man. Let's go, man. Let's get it. Creative click, big up. Shot, big up. Knocker, big up. Tomboclat.
Walk up, make it take breeze. Coffee now, rose. Let the angels sing. Evil deed. Jockey, you wanna play? How couple hit shot, post up in a bay. Rest it chip in your belly, boy. Make it bubble.
What on the man?
Yo, I'm going there.
What on the man? Is the next protocol this? Again. Yeah. Yeah.
Walk up, make it take breeze. Coffee now, rose.
Yeah.
Let the angels sing.
Let the angels sing. Family, what one?
Jockey, you wanna play? How couple hit shot, post up in a bay. Rest it chip in your belly, boy. Make it bubble. No. She got everything. Evil deed. Jockey, you wanna play? How couple hit shot, post up in a bay. Rest it chip in your belly, boy. Make it bubble. No. She got everything hard as well. When you see the whistle, nobody run off, no turn off.
Evil family. Evil.
Yo, I'm going there.
Rose and Wreath. Cinderella keep. Again.
Walk up, make it take breeze. Coffee now, rose. Let the angels sing. Evil deed. Jockey, you wanna play? How couple hit shot, post up in a bay. Rest it chip in your belly, boy. Make it bubble. No. She got everything hard as well. When you see the whistle, nobody run off, no turn off. Me racing on your face till it burn off. Mac chop licking on your face till it come off. Rifle licking me out, that's the one. This part and turn on the machine and bust off them head. Monsters them outside, I left them for dead. Shallow grave settings and me spread your bed. Chinna man them to know see a weapon down head.
Yo, me not sleep from last night. From yesterday, me not sleep, so I'm kind of tired. But we there, I see him, we are putting the work. So sorry for the mistake that I make. Sorry for it, again. We never edit this. We not edit it, I go see me, ready? Pussy in the damn.
Walk up, make it take breeze. Coffee now, rose. Let the angels sing. Evil deed. Jockey, you wanna play? How couple hit shot, post up in a bay. Rest it chip in your belly, boy. Make it bubble. No. She got everything hard as well. When you see the whistle, nobody run off, no turn off. Me racing on your face till it burn off. Mac chop licking on your face till it come off. Rifle licking me out, that's the one. This part and turn on the machine and bust off them head. Monsters them outside, I left them for dead. Shallow grave settings and me spread your bed. Chinna man them to know see a weapon down head. Who wicked and cool out? Them know they can't wild with we. Sparta. no word, the matic hand off. Does a pin me a search your body, come me like for the sin. I me no enemy, them no like for see me. Searching for your body, they know the power you're in them block. Lift them flat like a cardboard box. Them these, them rum for not that. In a ramen rain, pussy in a rain. Walk up, make it take breeze. Coffee in a rosary. That angel sing, evil deeds.
Josh, that.
That angel sing, all these niggas are almighty man. Shaq we love us in all the night.
The rusty care, bumbo clock. Big up the production team, man. Yeah, man, big up the production team, man. Can the one come chief for a piece of summer? What do you think about the one? Talk to me like comment section, man. I remember say we there early now. Shirley, sorry, we there Shirley, you know. You see me, even though I'm still tired, we still there. Even though we don't sleep for 24 hours, we still there. Yeah? We just there. You know what I mean? Yeah, just let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section though, and I'll catch you guys down there. Big up Skeng and big up Tamili, big up the production team. Alright, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Yeah, Rust gave the review ya feisty dog, if feisty you fuck.